Hi students, how are you? Fine. Okay. Do you remember me? Remember, I am your Hindi teacher. Okay? Yeah. What we learned last class? Anybody know what we learned last class? Iki matra. I gave some homeworks, no? Everybody did it, that homework? Did it? What homework I given? Yeah, very good. E symbol. Some homework I given no. Ka plus E is equal to what is that answer? K plus E is equal to key. Like that homework, some homework I given no. Did it? Yes, K plus E is equal to key. Ch plus E is equal to chi. P plus E is equal to P. Like that, some letters I given, not these letters. Some other letters I given, no. That you understood? Everybody did it, that work? Very good, children. Okay, then I give some more exercises. Say this answer. K plus R is equal to Q plus I is equal to what is the answer? First we study. First chapter we studied. Just to rewind that. Okay. Then after shall we take new. Q plus I is equal to what is the answer? Did you say the answer? Anybody know? Say louder. Q plus I is equal to any symbol. Did you see any symbol here? No. Then Q plus I is equal to K. Okay. Then T plus I is equal to what is the answer? Yes. Ta. Here no symbol is there. Okay. Without symbol, letters. Then next Q plus R. What is the answer? Q plus I is equal to Ka. Then Q plus R. Did you see one symbol is here? Which symbol is this one? R symbol. That's why Q plus I is equal to Ta. Remember these answers? Everybody understood this one? Q plus I is equal to Ka. T plus I is equal to Ta. One more symbol last we studied. What is that? Yes, very good. E symbol. Q plus E is equal to key. How can write this one? Q plus E is equal to key. P plus E is equal to T. Understood these answers? This answer everybody understood. Q plus A is equal to Ka. T plus I is equal to Ta. Q plus I is equal to Ka. T plus I is equal to Ta. Q plus E is equal to Ki. T plus E is equal to T. Understood this answer? Very simple, no? This you write in your notebook. Okay. Like this you write in your notebook. Then only you understood this. The next, shall we start next class? Next, Iki Matra. Just we start last class. Iki Matra. Iki Matra. The symbol E is okay. Iki Matra is here. Okay, this is the chapter. I will read. Some words are here. I will read. Okay, just look. First one is Viman. 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 What do you mean by Viman? Viman means aeroplane. Viman. Chidiya. Chidiya means parrot. Chidiya. Chidiya means sparrow. Chidiya, sparrow. Did you see? I know you don't have book. Then next one, some boxes are here. I will read. Okay. Listen carefully. Where I read, there you touch. Okay. First one is din. Din. This full is symbol words. Din. Then gin. Kila. Sir. Sitar. Guitar. Takiya. Ticket. Hiran. Kitab. Gilas. Mithai. Understood? Shall I write on the board? Then you can see easily. Okay. First word is, what is this? Din. Second one is gin. Third one is, what is this word? Kila. Okay. Then sir. Then sitar. Sitar. And guitar. Next one, takiya. Then ticket. Hiran. Kitab. Gilas. Mithai. Understood? Shall we read once more? Din. Say louder. Din. Gin. Gin. Kila. Kila. Sir. Sir. Sitar. Sitar. Guitar. Guitar. Takiya. Takiya. Ticket. Ticket. Hiran. What is this? Hiran. Kitab. Kitab. Gilas. Gilas. Mithai. Mithai. Understood? Read in your home very well. Okay. Din, gin, kila, sir. Sitar, guitar, takiya, ticket, hiran, kitab, gilas, mithai. Every day you should read in your home these words. Okay, every words. Then only you can read easily Hindi. You want to study Hindi, no? Yes. The next one. Look in your textbook. Here have some verbs. This cursive you can you get textbook means you can write in your home. Okay. Then take next page. Shall we start that chapter? Iki Matra chapter. Ready? Yes. What is this heading? Heading. Can you read this heading? Just use tried. Can you read this heading? Anybody know this reading? Tried. What is the first one? Ra have one symbol. Which symbol is this one? E symbol. Ra plus E is equal to Re. Here, Ya. Then what is the word? Riya, Gai, picnic. Riya, Gai, picnic. Riya Gai, picnic. Riya went to where? Where Riya went? Picnic. Okay, that is the chapter name. Iki matra chapter name. Shall we start? Here have Iki matra chapter first paragraph. Okay, I read. Shanivar ka din da. First line. Shanivar ka din da. Can I write? Shanivar का दिन था. Okay, Shanivar ka din da. You don't have textbook with you. That's why I write the board or write on the board. Okay, here look and read. K. Shanivar ka din da. What is that meaning? Shanivar ka din da. Shanivar one day name. One day name. Shanivar means Saturday. Okay. It was Saturday. It was Saturday. Din means day. Shanivar ka din da. It was Saturday. Then next line. Riya, Siana. Riya, Siana, picnic gayi. What is the first one? Shanivar ka din tha. It was Saturday. Riya, Siana, picnic gayi. Riya means one girl name. Her friend is Siana. Riya and Siana, where they went? Picnic. They went to picnic. Riya and Siana went to picnic. The next one, Shigha. Shigha, guitar, lai. Shigha, guitar, lai. What do you mean by Shigha, guitar, lai? Who is Shigha? Riya's friend, Siana and Shigha also. Okay. Shigha, guitar, lai. What Shigha brought? Guitar. Shigha brought guitar. Shanivar ka din tha. It was Saturday. Riya, Siana, picnic gayi. Riya and Siana went to picnic. Shigha, guitar, lai. Shigha, what brought Shigha? Guitar. The last one, Namita. Namita, sitar, lai. Namida, sitar, lai. What Namida brought? Sitar. Guitar and sitar, one musical instrument. Okay. Once more, read. Shanivar ka din da. What is that meaning? Say. Shanivar ka din da. It was Saturday. Riya, Siana, picnic gayi. What is that? Riya and Siana went to where? Where they went? Picnic. Shigha, guitar, lai. Shigha brought guitar. Namida sitar lai. Namida brought sitar. Understood? This fully understood. That meaning also? Okay. You should learn this. Okay. शनिवार का दिन था, रिया सियाना पिकनिक गई, शिगा गिटार लाई, नमिता सितार लाई. Okay, this you learn very well in your home. Okay, ready? Yes. Then next one more paragraph is there. That also we can read. Here, the second paragraph is here. I will show you. Okay? Yes. Shall we start? Yes. First line. मिलकर मिठाई घाई. मिलकर मिठाई घाई. What is that? मिलकर मिठाई घाई. मिठाई घाई. What do you mean by मिठाई? Understood? Yeah, sweets. Very good. मिलकर मिठाई घाई. They together sit and eat what? What they eat? Mithai, sweets. They ate sweets. Then after Kavida Ghai. Kavida Ghai. They sang the poem. They are sit and sang the poem. Milkar Mithai Ghai. They together sit and ate sweets. Kavida Ghai. They sang poem. Then Chidiya. Chidiya आई. चिड़िया आई. चिड़िया आई किशमिश लाई. चिड़िया आई किशमिश लाई. What do you mean by चिड़िया? चिड़िया आई. One bird. चिड़िया means bird. One bird came. Kishmish lai. They brought a kishmish also. What is that? Kishmish. Kishmish means raisins. What do you mean by raisins? Do you know that Malayalam word unakkamundiri? That is kishmish. Okay, they brought kishmish. Chidiya ai. Bird came. Kishmish lai. They brought kishmish also. Kishmish means raisins. Okay. The next one. Rim Jim. Rim Jim. Rim Jim. Rim Jim. Barish आई. Rim Jim Barish आई. Milkar Mithai Gai. They sit and together ate sweets. Kavida Gai. They sang poem. Chidiya ai. One bird came. Kishmish lai. They brought kishmish also. Raisins also they brought. Rim Jim Barish ai. At that time Rim Jim Barish ai. What do you mean by Rim Jim Barish? Barish means rain. Then last one is wow. Bada maza आया. Bada maza आया. Last wow. Bada maza आया. They are very happy mood. They are very funny mood. Milkar Mithai Gai. They sitting together and ate sweets. Kavita Gai sang the poem. Chidiya Ai. What is that? Chidiya Ai. One bird came. Kishmish Lai. Raisins brought. Rim chim barish hai. Getting to rain. Wow, bada maza aaya. They are very funny mood, very happy. Understood? This also read. Okay, you should learn these also. Once more we can read. Milker. Read louder. I can't hear anything. Louder read. Milker. Mithai. Ghai. Kavita Gai. Chidiya Ai. Kishmish Lai. Rim chim Barish Ai. Wow, bada maza aaya. Understood this one? This full learn, you should learn. Okay, then only you can read easily. Ready? This chapter more time. You should learn. Ready? Okay, then I will give some words and meanings. Okay, this chapter, some words and meanings I can write on the board. This copy in your notebook and study also. Okay, 5 times write and study. First one, din. What is din? Din means day. Then gin. Gin means count. Then kila. What do you mean by kila? Fort. Sir. Sir means head. Head. Then takiya. What do you mean by takiya? In your home have takiya. Pillow. Takiya means pillow. Okay. Then hiran. Hiran means deer. Then kitab. Kitab means book. Kitab means book. Then mithai. What do you mean by mithai? We study, no? Yes, sweets. Very good. Sweets. Then Shanivar. Shanivar means Shanivar ka din da. It was Saturday. Shanivar means Saturday. Understood? Okay. Then once more, here I can write. Barish. Barish means rain. Okay. Shall we read this? Din, day. Din, day. Gin, count. Kila, fort. Sir, head. Barish, rain. Takiya, pillow. Hiran, deer. Kitab, book. Mithai, sweets. Shanivar, Saturday. Understood? This you can write in your notebook. Okay? These words and meanings study also. You can write in your notebook and study. You should learn this also. Okay. This is that words and meanings. Look here and study. 5 times write in your notebook also. Okay. Huh? Yes. Okay. Now I am going to stop my class. Next class coming time, these words and meanings study, and that symbol also. Ka plus A, Ka plus E, that symbol also study very well. Ready? Okay. See you later. Bye.